Hello, good evening. This is Shark for the equity check. We are looking today at Access Engineering Limited, one of the shares that I'm holding. Uh, right now, let's take a quick tour about the history of this particular share, where it started. What I have here is the daily candle. We can go back to around 2014. Let's see. There was a period where Access Engineering, it was on a it was a very slow moving kind of share, and all of a sudden started breaking out its shackle and then started hitting the 40s, where the retailers started picking up interest, and we saw since the late or the early 2015, this year, started declining back to its lowest around 20s, and then started gradually recovering a bit here and there, and then started hitting back again to the 27th. And since then we saw a high overbought situation during that period, and started declining the price from a 27 point to around 20 and below 23. Now our main focus should be, let us zoom this one just to make it clear for us. Yes, now we need to see the price action. Recent price actions are here, that it has got hold of a support of around 19 rupees or 1850, and has a resistance around 28. So we are basically playing from a 18 or a 20 to a range of around 8 rupees to about 28. There is more chances that what we are seeing here could possibly lead to a few more rupees hitting down around 2022. So this might or may find support around 22. That's the feeling that I have, because it's in a very or an extreme oversold situation that we are in. So probably we should see the price hitting 22s and then start reversing to the upside. Now chances are that if it hits 28, that means this is going to give us a brief target of around 6 rupees. That should hit a target of around 34-35, which is the resistance point which we are seeing here. But my chances are that 30s here would be the first resistance coming in around 32. So we will be into a very good opportunity. Should the price reverse from 22, then there onwards we would be seeing a greater opportunity to make a capital gain on Access Engineering. So this is what I'm seeing right now. Chances of a 22 rupee reversal. Failure we could see back again in the 20s, and that there onwards may see trading on supports, buying at supports and selling around resistance taking. So that should give us a consolidation price action or a pattern here, trading on AEL. So people might sell near the resistance, and the price may bounce off on the supports and the resistance levels here. So that's about Access Engineering. It should be very clear that opportunity would be there around 22 to buy, and should it fail to hold that support, I am assuming a 20 rupee support should hold firmly until it recovers back to 28 to the previous resistance. So all these depend on Axis Engineering performance in the quarters to come. So even with trying circumstance, I think last quarter was a good acceptable performance, and we are expecting this to repeat its performance to make some gains, and of course the share price to appreciate towards the 28 as our initial target. That's it from me. This is Shark for the Equity Check.